Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an easy dreadlock needle. This handy tool is designed to help you create and maintain beautiful dreadlocks with ease. It features a tiny hook that expertly interlocks hair strands, making the process much simpler. When selecting your needle, consider common sizes such as 0.5 millimeters or 0.75 millimeters. Remember, always start with clean, dry hair to achieve the best possible outcome for your dreadlocks. Before you begin, proper preparation is key for successful dreadlocks. First, make sure your hair is thoroughly clean and completely dry, free from any oils or styling products. Next, divide your hair into uniform sections. 1-inch squares are a popular choice for consistent dreadlock thickness. Secure each section at the root with a small rubber band to keep it neat. Now, hold your dreadlock needle comfortably in your dominant hand, ready to start the interlocking process. Now for the core technique, interlocking. Take a small amount of loose hair from the section you are working on, perhaps about 1/8 of an inch. Gently insert the needle into the dreadlock, aiming to catch that loose hair with the hook. Then, carefully pull the needle back out, drawing the hair into the body of the dreadlock. Continue this motion, working your way around the entire dreadlock, ensuring all loose hairs are neatly tucked in for a firm, well-formed result. Once you've interlocked a dreadlock, give it a good palm roll between your hands to help smooth and compress the hair. To keep your dreadlocks healthy and vibrant, use a specialized dreadlock moisturizing spray a few times a week. For maintenance, plan to interlock new growth at the roots every 4 to 6 weeks, depending on your hair's growth rate. Remember, avoid pulling too tightly during the process to prevent unnecessary tension, breakage, and discomfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.